Hi friends, today I'll be showing you how to make a cute diya. Okay, so when you roll your terracotta clay, it should not be too thin, right? Because if you roll it too thin, when you bend the corners, crack will be there. So to avoid that, some thickness should be there. So like this you have to roll. So here I am giving this much thickness for the diya. So I have a impression. Any floral impression you can take. Okay, this you can get it in any craft shop. So I am placing on this, giving fine press. So the impression should be seen all over evenly. Right? Yeah. So it comes out well. So now, using the cookie cutter, I'm just cutting this part, keeping it as a center. See, like this I got. So using little water, you can just finely shape the sides of the terracotta. To get the good finishing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is take a small cookie cutter, or you can even use some small lid also. Okay, in this shape, in cylindrical shape. So I'm just placing this here, just in the center of the circle, just pressing slightly, and I'm just trying to bring all the side parts in the upward direction. All right. Just taking this. So now you can just, with using your fingers, you can just do this. Four sides for this diya. To just sit on the floor, you can just press even more, and you can make a fine touch-ups. So this is how you have to do diyas. Isn't it looking cute? So using some water, I'm just smoothing the surface. Any shape you can do. It's all up to your creativity. So when you paint it, it will look even more beautiful. I'm going to give some impressions in the sides. Using this tool, or with any tool you can give. Even with a pen, lead, anything you can give the impressions. Yeah. So we are done with the diya making. So if you like this video, please share this and please do subscribe. Thank you.